What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an install video. Going to install this molly panel and shelf from Rago Fabrication. And I don't have any instructions, but I think I could figure it out, so let's start. Alright, so let's start with the passenger side. So we're going to remove this. We are going to take this piece and bolt it into there. So I didn't tighten it all the way so I can have some play when I install the side panel. Okay, so on the right panel, I already installed these brackets onto the panel like that. I have the side panel attached, just using these bolts right there to hold it in place real quick. And I am down here trying to figure out what holes these are going to go to. Okay, let's just take that all off. All right, so on the rear, I am going to use the hole that was already there to mount that. And it lines up with the mounting bracket on the side panel. And then on the front side, I'm going to use this hole because it lines up right there. We'll try that. Okay, that seemed to work out. All right, so let's try to figure out where I need to drill the hole. The hole for this, the back piece, is going to be easy because all I got to do is remove this and then drill that out. And then right here in the front, looks like I'll have to drill a hole right about there. Okay, so the side panel is back in place, and that's what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna line this up, bolt those in place, and tighten all these bolts. Right side panel, good to go. All right, let's start on the driver's side. I already moved the lower panel. Need to remove this handle. All right, so I got the driver's side panel, getting it ready. I already mounted the lower brackets on loosely so I can adjust when it's hanging up in the window. Right now, I'm going to mount the bracket up here. All right, so I got that bracket mounted. Didn't tighten it yet so I can adjust. Now I'm going to hang the side panel onto that bracket and see if I can use any of those existing holes or if I have to drill some new ones. Okay, so I got the driver's side panel hanging, and let's see what holes I can use. So looks like there's a hole right there. And a hole right there. And this is for the 97 Lexus LX450. I don't know if the Toyota Land Cruiser has the same holes, but I think they do, but I'm not sure, so it might be different. Okay, so the driver's side panel is mounted. Just gotta remove it and get this side panel installed. So like the other side, the passenger side. So like the passenger side, I gotta drill a hole into the plastic, and for the rear of the left, on the rear, I can use this. I just gotta take this off and then drill a hole straight through that. And in the front over here, I gotta kind of eyeball it like I did on the passenger side and drill a hole right there. All right, so driver's side is now mounted. All the bolts are tightened. Just mounted the bottle opener that's included. All right, so with the panels installed, we are gonna install the attic shelf now. So what I'm gonna do is take these two top bolts out, and I'm gonna mount this bracket up there. So let's go. All right, so I got that bracket mounted up top. Okay, so I got the right side of the shelf mounted. We're gonna take these two bolts out, and we are gonna mount the mounting bracket right there. All right, so I got the left side and right side shelf mounted. We're gonna put the center piece in. So the center piece just goes right there. Okay, so I got these mounted. This is the support, keep it stiff. Got them on both sides. And now we're gonna put this on the back side. Sorry about the noise. Neighbors doing some cleaning. So I put all these bolts right in there. Got the one on the back. This one right here at the crease. Use the longer bolt. All right, so I got all the hardware all tightened up. So I got a few things up here. I got some jackets, my quilt, my air pad, and a chair. Got room for one more item in there. I still gotta clean up the truck. Just got back from Expo last night, so it's a mess. And that's what it looks like. All done. Also bonus, I got the Rago Fabrication antenna mount.